If you want to adjust permissions on Xiaomi 17, what you can do is you can go to settings, scroll down over here and search for the security and privacy option. Now, once you go over here, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then we have the privacy controls option, and then we can proceed to the permission manager. Over here in this menu, we should be able to find every permission that we have available on our phone, and you can go through these permissions in order to find which apps are allowed to use that permission, which apps are not allowed, and of course you can tap on these apps in order to change that. Besides that, you can also just go to apps instead. So if you go back to settings, then we can proceed to apps that we have below security and privacy. And then in here on this list of apps, we can choose an app, and then we can find the app permissions option, where we can see the permissions that are granted or not granted for the selected app. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.